Hey guys, thank you for watching this video and joining my channel. Today I want to show you guys how I style my hair. It's a super easy way to get some nice curls and volume, and it's super convenient because it's really fast and it gives you time to do either like your makeup or get your outfit ready while you're waiting for your hair to get done. The star for today is going to be these rollers. So what you really want to do is, after straightening your hair with a comb, you really want to pull out your hair with these rollers, take it all the way to the end, and then you want to roll your hair in tightly as much as you can. So as you can see here, now that both sides are rolled, I'm going to get this alligator clip and I'm going to clip both the sides together so that it helps create volume as well as just hold the curls in place. Now it's pretty simple from here. You can just continue the rollers with the rest of your hair. So I wanted to go for maybe a little bit more volume on curls, so I'm going to be using a smaller size roller, and I'm just going to be continuing it throughout my entire head. Now you can leave it in forever long as you want, but the longer it is, the better you'll get. So now while I'm waiting, I'm just going to be putting in my contact lens. This is the Mocha Coconut from Moody Lenses that they sent to me. So I left it in for maybe 30 minutes or so I'll just be taking out the rolls. So as you can see, it gave me a lot of texture as well as volume, which is awesome. But if you always want more, you can always use a blow dryer, just using the heat on top of the rolls. But I was going for like an everyday look that had no damage to the hair, so this was really helpful, and I hope this helps you guys too. Lastly, I'm just going to put in some little sculpting clay just to hold it together. So this is a really soft sculpting clay. It's not as hard as gel, so it's just going to help hold it in a little bit. And that is the look. So you got a nice middle part with a little bit of volume, and it really just helps you put together your whole entire look for the day. And you look awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and there'll be more to come.